Alright guys, got a bike check for you today. This is 2014, and this is actually very special to let you guys know. Um, so here's what it is. The frame I want to start. So, this frame is not out till March. It is a surbrosa Malicious Prime 2. Me and one person are test riding it because of Sparky's distribution. We're on the disaster team, and we get to test all the prototype parts. So, this frame. Stolen center cranks. Um, they're alright. I mean, if you like stolen, yeah, why not? Shadow pedals I've been running for a year now, and I still haven't broken them. I mean, I don't really ride as hard, as most people, but it's a good pedal. I got two new pieces, plus a couple other ones. Shadow Chula stem, copper top load. Shadow crow sprocket, 25 tooth copper. Two Shadow slided eye pegs. They're actually very good. I like them a lot. Um, Fulling stock chain. I'm gonna get a stolen chain half length. I'm gonna get that put on there today. Trader's 138 grips. The really soft ones are really good. Stolen center bars. The rise is at 8.65, and the width is at 28.50. So that's not that bad. Stolen cyclone forks. Really good. Stolen revolver rims front and back, and stolen hubs. Um, Stolen slim seat, and what is it post? It's deco post. And then my favorite part about it is the tires. These are Shadow Velour tires. These are actually very, very good tires. Um, they like stick to the ground. Like if you ride in water, you don't slide either. Like they just literally stick to the ground when you ride. So they're actually very good. I'll show you as much as I can with the whole bike itself. Actually, very, very good. Love it. So guys, that was the bike check for 2014, and I hope you enjoy it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.